Yo guys, welcome back to Ledfoot TV. So today I am going to show you how to fit the hardtop roof to a Mark 1 or Mark 2 MX-5. So it's super simple, but I'm just doing a little video on it because I know a few people struggle with it. So basically those little latches slot into here, so they go into the open space and then you slide the roof forwards. It'll be a bit more clear when we actually do it, but you've got a latch in each corner at the back of the window, and then your two latches where your soft top mounts up to as well. So you just want to make sure those latches are fully open, because otherwise you won't get the roof in. So yeah, just make sure they're fully open before you start trying to fit the roof. Mine's a little bit awkward because I've got the bucket seats in them. I actually have had to undo my seat so that I can get this latch in. But yeah, it latches up here at the side of the seat, and the same on the other side, and then just your normal two roof latches. So we'll yeah, try and get the roof on now, and we'll show you exactly how it's done. But basically these little pins here are what locates the roof on the inside of these, and you put it in and then push the roof forwards, and it locks it in place. So we'll get the roof on now and show you exactly what we mean. Yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention as well was put the windows down. It just makes your life 10 times easier, and it just reduces the risk of you shattering one of the side windows. So just, yeah, make sure you do that before you start trying to put the roof on. There we go. So once you've got the roof on, the latches are dropped in, we basically just want to push it forward so it's like right to the front of the car. So if we just shift it to the front, I think it is already, we've already pushed it forwards, but yeah, if we try and lift it up now, the roof actually won't even come up, even though it's latched on. So yeah, the back of the roof won't actually come up. So just make sure you've got it in properly, because if it still pulls up, you've not pushed it enough forward. So yeah, I'll show you where we'll show you where it latches up now. So you want to latch your front ones on first, so just like you would with your normal soft top. So you got that one on, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, and like I say, mine are a little bit awkward because my bucket seat's a fixed mount bucket seat. So that just wants to latch on like that. These actually need adjusting a little bit, and I could do with them a little bit tighter, but the roof is fully latched on this side now, so we'll just do the other side. So yeah, this is the latch on the passenger side, and basically it's just the same thing there. You just want to make sure it hooks under here properly, because if you've not got it lined up, but sometimes it can just miss the catch. So yeah, just make sure it's in the catch, like that, and then just tighten it up and it should be fine. Like I say, my latches could do with a bit of adjustment just to tighten them up. But yeah, that is the roof fully in. And then if you've got a heated rear screen, which I do, so you have these wires, it doesn't matter which way they go around, one of them's a positive, one of them's a negative, and as long as they're attached to the right, to one or the other, then it's fine. They just, yeah, clip on to these little connectors for the heated screen. And yeah, and that is the roof in. It's as simple as that. It's really easy. I know I see a few people struggle with it on the owners groups and ask how to fit it properly, so I thought I'd just do a quick little video just showing how to fit the roof, because I know a few people struggle with it, but once you know how to do it, it's super easy. So Yeah, that is fitting the roof on a Mark 1 or a Mark 2 MX-5. They're exactly the same on the Mark 1 and the Mark 2. If you found it helpful, make sure you leave a like on the video and share it with anyone else that might find it helpful. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.